Hi, I'm Larry Shover, CIO of SFG Alternatives, reporting to you from the CME Group in Chicago. Well, there's no lack of nuance with headlines that are coming out overseas and in the United States, but yet the markets continue to shrug their shoulders over Greece, over Spain, over our fiscal cliff, over everything else right now, and asset class volatilities are moving very, very little right now. Now, a Greece deal was put in place earlier this morning. The S&P 500, Dow, NASDAQ implied volatilities around the flat line all day long as the markets moved up and down the flat line. Right now, volatility is unchanged on the day. Moving on to FX, interesting story, just with the euro currency rallying so hard overnight and dripping lower every hour from early this morning. We have FX vol basically flat on the day. It was higher early on, but we're just on the flat line today. And right now, most currencies are flat within the last 6 hours trading range. Moving on to oil. Oil has actually been a bigger story. Oil vol down about 3% as judged by the oil VIX. 3% on the day. We're also seeing skew in oil in the 3 to 6 months come down quite substantially from where it was last week. Lastly, gold volatility, quite the opposite story. Gold volatility is up about 4% today, but do keep in mind that gold volatility had the exact opposite reaction yesterday. Gold right now up about 4% on the volatility. Longer-term vols actually are up just a little bit more than that. Near-term vols, as judged by the VIX ETF, up about 4% on the day. Base metals, especially copper. Copper's down a little bit, something we haven't seen for a while. Interest rate vol also unchanged on the day. I'm Larry Shover, Chief Investment Officer of SFG Alternatives, reporting to you from the CME Group in Chicago.